Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about development of face and palate. Face develops from 5 swellings which are present around the primitive mouth. This is primitive mouth or ostomodeum, and around it 5 swellings are present or the 5 processes. First one is the frontonasal process. Second, which is the greenish one, that is maxillary process. 2 maxillary processes are there, and bluish one is the paired mandibular process. So 1 frontonasal process, 2 maxillary process, and 2 mandibular processes. So 5 processes are there which forms the face, and these 5 facial primordium or the processes, they are made up of mesenchyme or the mesoderm and covered by ectoderm. Now what happens in the anterolateral part of the frontonasal process? Two elevations develops, ectodermal elevation, that are called as olfactory placard or the nasal placard. These are the olfactory placard, also called as nasal placard. They are developing in the anterolateral part of the frontonasal process. So these two olfactory or the nasal placards are developing. Now these olfactory placards invaginate into the underlying mesoderm. These placards are made up of ectodermal thickening, and they invaginate into the underlying mesoderm and form a depression that is called as nasal pit. So initially formation of olfactory or nasal placard, and later it will be invaginate to form the nasal pit, and this nasal pit is continuous with the ostomodeum below. So this nasal pit is continuous with ostomodeum or primitive mouth below. Now on each side of the nasal pit you can see the elevations which are made up of mesodermal swellings. These are called as medial nasal process, and lateral one is called as lateral nasal process. So margins of this nasal pit are formed by mesodermal swellings that are called as medial and lateral nasal processes. Now this olfactory pit become deeper. In this diagram you can see olfactory pit has been become deeper, and medial and nasal processes, medial nasal process of both side, this yellow one is the medial nasal process of both side, they move towards each other and they fuse and and also thinned out and form the nasal septum. So primitive nasal septum is formed by these two medial nasal processes, and lower part of this medial nasal process become globular, and it will form the philtrum of the upper lip. So this medial nasal process fuses in the lower part and it will form globular structure that is called as globular process of the medial nasal process, and it is forming the philtrum of the upper lip. So this part will form the philtrum of upper lip. And lateral nasal process, this pinkish one is the lateral nasal process. It fuses with the maxillary process. The greenish one is the maxillary process. So this maxillary process will fuse with the lateral nasal process, and medial nasal process of both sides, they fuse with each other and they thinned out to form the nasal septum in the upper part and philtrum in the lower part. Now the maxillary process of both sides, they move towards each other. These two maxillary processes, which are the greenish one, they move towards each other and they fuses with the lateral nasal process below the eye. This is eye, primitive eye, and below the eye this maxillary process is moving towards the lateral nasal process, and they fuse with each other. And at the lateral angle of the mouth, in the lateral part, Maxillary process and mandibular process fuse each other to form the oral fissure.